Did you ever wish your startup or small business could reap the benefits large corporations have long enjoyed? Well, now is the time. Beginning in 2016, legislative changes to the Research and Development Tax Code created an opportunity for businesses just like yours. Surprisingly, this information seems to have gone overlooked by many, and it's time you took advantage. Qualified startups that generate less than $5 million in revenue should seriously consider pursuing the Research and Development Tax Credit. It's time to reduce payroll taxes, but my business doesn't do research and development. R&D isn't just for activities requiring lab coats and test tubes. You may be surprised to find there is a broad range of qualifying activities that will allow your company to claim R&D tax credit. And here at KBKG, we have a broad range of experience in a variety of industries, so our personalized service caters to you and your specific needs. In this age of impersonal interactions, we are here to provide you with the best customer service from the initial R&D process to securing the R&D tax credit. Our services are backed by our KBKG guarantee, and we take that a step further by providing you with deliverables in the event of an audit, as well as audit support from our dedicated team. As a firm, we've performed tens of thousands of studies, resulting in hundreds of millions of dollars. Ready to get started? Find out if you qualify in just minutes by using our simple R&D benefit calculator. Let us maximize and sustain your tax credit while reducing time and costs spent capturing information so you can focus on what you do best. KBKG, solutions for tax professionals and businesses.